Happy Valentine's Day.
Yeah.
What are you eating?
We had a pancake strip like her, but I ate mine.
These are this is Eliza's Valentine's box. Well, we need to read our love messages to each other, don't we?
Yep.
Okay, well, I need to finish Dad's pancakes, so we'll do more of this later.
No, I need to get more stuff out. Oh, this is.
Oh, that's from.
Who is this?
Let me see.
Reese.
Is that Reese and Rapunzel?
Hey, Forrest, trying to open up this candy.
No, we don't need to open it. He's just looking at the stuff. He can pick a candy after, because we do have to have lunch too.
Whoa, this is cool.
Oh, that's like a superhero mask, Forrest.
Oh, it's more candy too.
Turn it around. Let me read that, Lottie.
Whoa.
That one says, "You are just plain awesome," and it's an airplane. We get to build an airplane. What does this one say?
What?
You make everyone happy. Look, you make everyone happy.
First, look, you got an airhead.
Okay, this one says, "You are totally awesome," and then they gave you a pair of socks. That is so cute.
Toe. Like, oh my gosh.
A sucker?
What's that?
That's from your friend Ben.
Gummy worm. I want to open this right now. First, you also have fruit snacks. Oh, it's open. Whoa! You have another one. Mom, what does this say?
Someone open our front door.
Oh, I want to open this right now. But I'm going to squish that over there. What's this say? Let
me see it.
First, I have a poop emoji from my friend.
Your crazy friendship is extra special. Love, Gavin.
I have a bone with my son, Gavin.
Where's the tag that goes with that, Lottie?
This is our Flippy Loop. This is our Flippy Loop part.
Yeah, it's a loop-de-loop. It has a heart. Okay, so
This is the one that it was hooked
let me
onto.
see. Can I read what it says?
Try
Here, sit
this.
down.
I'm gonna try this, Mama. I'm gonna try
You
this
are
right
very
now.
nice.
I'm gonna get a cup and I'm gonna try. I think that one was actually for Hadley, but
Oh, okay.
they must have got mixed up.
Okay.
But it's okay.
All right, go through your bag.
Okay, so that was a poop emoji button.
Okay, I don't want you to stand up. I want you to sit.
Can take my shoes.
Uh-huh.
Mama, I'm gonna try a straw. Mama, I'm gonna try a straw.
You're gonna try the straw?
I already opened this.
Oh, what was in there?
There was a tattoo.
Oh, a Monster High doll tattoo?
And 3 candies.
Oh, fun.
And
And a special heart container.
yeah.
Does it work? Does the straw work?
It's not cool. Oh, it's going into pipe. It's scoop out in my mouth. I tried to close it sometimes.
That's okay. Keep going. I'll do it. Send it this way. Here, hand it to me, love.
I have a lot of candy. Yeah. I'm gonna eat this right now.
Okay, just one candy, then we need to have lunch. Lottie?
Here you go, Mom. No, I got it.
Okay, open another. Just leave it
That
up.
was fun. No, I can't.
No one's gonna eat your candy.
And here is a fun.
Oh, those are nice and messy. Those are kind of a popular one.
Some fruit snacks. Popcorn.
Let me see. Oh, cute. It's a Minnie Mouse popcorn.
And of course the one that my family made. And from Leah R. is
So fun.
some fruit snacks. 2 bags of fruit snacks.
Do you need help here? Do you want to take it off or upward off? On or off?
This was from Eliza Martin. No, that's
better?
And this was from Clara, but she was sick today, so her mom brought it. And another fun dip.
Oh dear.
And some chocolate.
Oh, I will eat those if you want.
Chocolate.
You don't want these? Have you tried them?
Paper airplane.
Oh, cute.
And I have candy.
I'm Jonathan. That's
I want to eat these right now, Mom.
okay.
This one came with the Monster High tattoo.
Oh, fun.
Where's this one that was? Katie? This is from Katie.
Yeah, Katie. Uh-huh.
And she did this. Mom, what's this thing? Want it?
Don't you like those?
There's some candies I don't like. This was from my teacher, Mrs. Reed.
What was it? Oh, some Starburst?
Mrs. Reed.
Oh, cute.
Starburst.
Let me read the card.
Ah.
Valentine, you make my heart burst. That is so cute.
And I made this myself.
Oh.
This is from Garrett.
Oh, fun.
The sucker that lost its tag. Well, that was fun. Tastes like chocolate.
Tastes like chocolate.
Here.
What was your favorite game that you played at your party today?
It's like the chair game, but
Was it
we have
musical
one for
chairs?
everybody, but there's one that is out, so that 2 people can go on one, and the other people can go on one by themselves. And whoever's hurt off, and
Whoever doesn't get on a chair is out of the game.
yeah,
And do you play it to music?
yeah.
Fun. It's called musical chairs. Is that all your treats?
No.
How many more do you have in there?
This came with this. I saw Daphne pass them out.
Oh, cute. Yeah, you both got suckers.
I have another one
Oh, it's Belle.
from Nevaeh. It's good. From Dakota.
Mm-hmm.
And this is
Oh, like a sticky?
yeah, it's like a sticky shirt.
Did you give a Valentine to Mrs. Reed?
I didn't have any extras.
Oh, sad.
Oh, and candy. Mama.
You're gonna get sick, buddy. You should have some lunch first.
Oh.
Okay. Oh, a candy bracelet. Cool. Well, that looks like you guys had a fun day at your parties.
Oh, it's a candy bracelet wash.
Oh, watch?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, I'm gonna make you guys some lunch now.
Yow Yow.
Cool.
Just question mark.
Oh, because you didn't know who he was giving that one to. Okay, well that was fun. Happy Valentine's Day.
Happy Valentine's Day.
You look dashing. Did you say yes I do? What do you have there?
A bouquet of flowers.
A rose and a card and a box of chocolates. And are they for a special friend? You don't have to say their name. And what time is it right now?
It is 7:04.
And so it's at nighttime. And what are we gonna go do right now?
Go look at this.
Why did you want to do this?
Because she's a good friend.
She's a good friend. Awesome. What makes her a good friend? Just tell me one thing.
She plays with me.
She plays with you?
Princess.
And that makes you happy? Well, I think this is the sweetest thing ever, Henry, and I think you are going to grow up and be an incredible gentleman and wonderful man. So I'm really proud of you tonight. Love you.